Hello, my name is James Meyer, and in the next 3 minutes, you are about to see a sample of the many cost-saving ideas we build into the software programs we develop using Microsoft Access. Here is an application we designed and built, the OSHA 300 Wizard, currently in use by large and small companies throughout the United States. This software makes it fast and simple for anyone to properly comply with government regulations by documenting an on-the-job injury or illness and accurately reporting it to OSHA. The first thing you will likely notice is the graphics. We design all of the graphics and color schemes for any software we develop. Second, you will notice something seldom found in many Microsoft Access applications, and that is a standard Windows menu, with the same kinds of menu options you see in most other Windows applications. So the OSHA 300 Wizard immediately feels familiar to the user, saving a lot of time searching for how to perform basic tasks. Notice also that the active case number, employee name and title, and date of the event are clearly displayed at the top of each screen in bold letters. It takes 10 screens of information to complete a case, but we make that process extremely simple. All you have to do is fill in the blanks on each screen, then proceed in a logical fashion to the next screen by clicking on the button labeled Next. To make it even easier, many fields contain drop-down lists of choices from which to select. It is just as simple to backtrack. Or you can use the convenient tabs at the top of the event log window to jump to any particular screen. Notice how generous we are with tips, instructions, and examples along the way, to make it so simple that even office temps with no prior training can use this software without having to study manuals or ask for assistance. For example, on the Identify Person tab, you may have a question about whether or not to check the Privacy Case checkbox. That's no problem. Simply click the button labeled More Information about Privacy Cases, and you will see the 6 basic criteria that qualify an injury or illness as a privacy case. If calculations, qualifications, error checking, or other functionality is needed within a field, it is built right into the system behind the scenes. Notice that certain fields are flagged with a miniature red indicator light. This alerts you to fields which are blank or are not properly filled out. At any time, you can print an exception report for any case which shows what information is missing and the title of the screen which needs that information. Plus, it explains how to provide that information and even leaves space for that information to be written in. That way, you can give this report to a coworker, doctor, or the employee and ask them to provide the necessary information and turn it in to you. These are just a few of the dozens of innovative software design features that companies like Wells Fargo Bank, TRW, Steelcase, Intel Corporation, State of Arizona, Mayo Clinic, and many others recognize as hallmarks of genuinely fine software design, bringing you extraordinary process automation and productivity improvement. You have seen just a brief sample of what we can do. Contact us now for more information. Thank you.